Hello, is this thing on? I guess it is. We're back. It's another day, April 30th, at approximately 9 p.m. Eastern. It's gonna be a quick one today. I got a quick one in store for you. We're gonna do a little bit of learning. We're gonna continue learning about databases today. Yeah. We're on my computer science beat still. Maybe we'll switch it up tomorrow, we'll see. Do Friday fun day. Today's Thursday. Okay. Shall we begin? I didn't do anything today except work and then come home. And sit around. So we're gonna be productive. Do a little work. We can turn the music down just a little bit for you guys. And for me a bit too. Alright, we're back. We are back. Alright, I already started a little bit of this during my lunch break. But I literally only just wrote a little bit of SQL code here. I have no clue what to expect. It seems pretty simple though. Alright. In one line of code, you return information from a relational database. So it looks like I'm selecting from celebs, whatever that means. We'll take a look at what this code means soon. Okay, great. I was wondering. For now, let's focus on what relational databases are and how they are organized. A relational database is a database that organizes information from one or more tables. Here's the relational database. Here, the relational database contains one table. I feel like I learned some of this already. A table is a collection of data organized into rows and columns. Tables are sometimes referred to as relations. You know, I will write some of this down. It's slightly different verbiage. But I don't think I got some of this. Oh no, I did. Tables is right here. Let's add to what I have. Tables. Are sometimes referred to as relations. That's an interesting thing. Okay. Collection. A collection of data organized into rows and columns. Here, this one is called celebs. So I guess it's this right here. A column is a set of data values of a particular type. Ooh, sorry. I need to get freaking comfortable here. Okay. Row columns have specific data types. Row is a single record in a table, right? An ID of 1, a name of Justin Bieber at an age of 29. All data stored in a relational database is of a certain data type. Okay, yeah, I already know this stuff. Allows you to identify and access data in a relation to another piece of data in the database. I'll just write here. All are of a certain data type. Data storage. Example, integer. I like how they capitalized it. Text, date, real. Cool. Let's keep it moving. Oh wait, go back. Now that you have understanding of what a relational database is, let's take a closer look at it. Okay. SQL statements. The code below is a SQL statement. Hello, my one chatter. I see you. Okay. Nothing is funny. Alright, I'm gonna lock in. I'm gonna lock in. Okay, here we go. Let me stop being distracted. Alright. Alright, so statements. I'm just thinking out loud, so don't mind me. This is what this is. Instead of just sitting here blankly, I'm saying what I'm thinking. So the code below is an SQL statement. The statement is a text that the database recognizes as a valid command. The statement's always in a semicolon. Okay, chatter. You can be AFK. Yeah, so code below is a SQL statement. A statement is a text that the database recognizes as a valid command. Statement's always in a semicolon. Alright, that's important. Let's write that down. Where should I put this under? I'll just put it in and figure out where it goes later. Alright, Pages is being weird. Statement. Text that the database recognizes as a valid command. Statements always end in semicolons. In a semicolon. Let's break down the components of a statement. Wow, this is all new to me. Let's break, okay. Create table is a clause. Clauses perform specific tasks in SQL. By convention, clauses are written in capital letters. Clauses can also be referred to as commands. So, okay, the create table is a clause. And the clauses perform specific tasks. Okay. The table name in this part is the name of the table that the command is applied to. Alright, that makes sense. So all this data in here is a parameter. A parameter is a list of columns data types, or values that are passed to a clause as an argument. Okay, that makes sense. Here the parameter is a list of columns, names, and associated data types. The structure of SQL statements vary. The number of lines used does not matter. A statement can be written all in one line or split across multiple lines if it makes it easier to read. In this course, you'll become familiar with the structure of common statements. Alright, okay. So many components of a statement. Alright. So you have your clause. Let's type this in. Clause. Perform specific tasks. We'll just say AKA commands. By convention are written in all capitals. Name, table name, in parentheses, comes after the clause. This one's pretty self-explanatory. The name of the table that the command is applied to. Parameter is a list of columns. Let's type that in. Parameters, colon. List of columns, data types, or values that are passed as an argument. Control B. Parentheses goes inside parentheses. Parentheses. Dang, almost spelled it correctly. One of these days I'll get it. Let's take a closer look at the statement we wrote before in the code editor. Select star from celebs. Run the code to observe the results and ask yourself, oops, what tables or which parts of the statement are the clauses? Which table are we applying the command to? Uncover the hint to view the answers and then proceed to the next exercise. Well, that's easy. The statement, which part of the statement is the clause? The clause is select And wait, what is this from? Oh, select and from, I guess. That's a little different from this. Wonder what the star means. What tables are we applying to? Zoom in a little bit more. There we go. Celebs. Soon you will learn more about each part of the statement. Okay, great. Love keeping me in the dark here. Alright, create. What the heck? Create statements allow us to create a new table in the database. You can use create statements anytime you want to create a new table from scratch. The statement below creates a new table named celebs. Create table is a clause that tells SQL you want to create a new table. Celebs is the name of the table. ID, integer, name, text, age. Integer is a list of parameters defining each column or attribute in the table and its data type. Okay, it's starting to click a little bit. Create statements. To create a new table. The database. Now that you have a good understanding of SQL syntax, we can create a new table. We've cleared the database from the previous exercises. Confirm no celebs table exists by entering the following in the code editor. Okay. Database should be empty. Okay. Now that we know the database is empty, now let's create a new celebs table in the code editor. Type this. Insert statement. Insert statement inserts a new row into a table. Insert statement. Inserts a new row into a table. Okay, this is pretty easy. SQL's not that difficult so far. Hopefully I'm not getting ahead of myself. Insert into celebs ID, name, age, values 1, Justin Bieber 29. So we have insert 2 is a clause that adds the specified rows. Celebs is the table, the rows added to, obviously. ID, name, age is a parameter identifying the columns that the data will be inserted to. And then the values is a clause that indicates the data being inserted. Alright, let's do this. Insert into, that's our clause. Celebs is our table name. And we're going to write in our parameter. Parameters. Then our other clause. Or statement, I mean, I don't know what it's called. 1 Justin Bieber 29. Add 3 more celebrities to the table. Okay. Oh no. Just copy paste. 1, 2, 3. What is this indentation? Yeah. Mac DeMarco. Okay. Mac DeMarco. I don't know how old he is. Let's find out, chatter, how old Mac DeMarco is. DeMarco age 36 years old. He's still kind of young. I'm not too far in age. We're only 9 years apart. 36, thanks chat. I already got it though. I guess he's he's number 1. Justin Bieber, you're taking number 2. Sorry, with the ID. Both Canadian, by the way. Let's keep doing the Canadians. Let's see, let's add Drake in here. 39. He's 39. Drake. 10 years on Justin Bieber. Wait, how old is Justin Bieber? Like, we're legit right now. Hold on. He's 32. Code Academy. I gotta fix your stuff, Code Academy. He's 32 now. The Weeknd. That's who I should do next. I didn't even know The Weeknd was Canadian. I don't really listen to The Weeknd or know much of his stuff. 36. The Weeknd with no E at the end. 36, yeah, okay. Oh, is he good? You like his music? It's too normie for me. Alright, we all can't be number 1 here, so we gotta switch things around. Drake is a weirdo, I guess. Yeah, he hasn't very much aged well, but he was a part of an era. He was part of an era. Aubrey Drake Graham. That's right, his real name is Aubrey. Oh, wait, hold on, I got an error. Add 3 more rows to the table. Oh. Add 3 more celebrities to the table beneath your previous insert. Type. Hold on. What? I did. Do I gotta do... No, I don't think. Hold on. Hold on. Alright, am I dumb? Hold on, let's see. Let's get the hint. Make sure you enter the 3 new insert statements beneath the first statement. Okay, I did that. There should be 4 rows. Bruh. It's the same. Alright, maybe it's because I changed Justin Bieber. Let's change Justin Bieber back. He's 29 and he's number 1, okay. You got me. Nope. Alright. Something ain't right here. Something ain't right. I'm doing what it's asking me. It's literally the same. No, it's not because of Drake and 3 and 4. That shouldn't... That's just... This language is weird. Sometimes Code Academy is weird. Code Academy. Hold on. What the flip? It's saying my code is too janky, but it's literally the same. Oops. Let's try something here. Oh, I'm missing my semicolons. Oh. How silly of me. Me coming from Python. Python, you don't use semicolons. So I'm so used to that reality. I've been learning with Python for like a year now. Plus. Forgot about the semicolon. There we go. Alright, Justin Bieber, you can change it back to 32. And you just got bumped down to number 2. Back to Marco, you're back on number 1. There you go. Alright, okay. Alright, okay, alright. I think that's where I'm gonna end it today. Keeping it quick and short today. You can check out the VOD on YouTube. All my Twitchers here. All my chatters. The VOD will go up tomorrow. But I gotta go. I'll see you. Maybe we'll have fun tomorrow. I'm on tomorrow. Yep, I post them on YouTube. The channel is the same name as the Twitch channel. Dubious is online. And yeah. Good night, everyone. See you tomorrow. maybe.